So, all right, so we have our panel created for the front part of the shoe. As we activate the curve fill, you can see it right there. And oops, there we go. And you can see how well that fits the front of the shoe. However, you notice real close here, we have a bit of a discord back here in that we can't really attach these two sections for a number of reasons. So if I want to build my area back here, you'll notice that there is this horrible gap, and that gap really can't be spanned using the UV transform for this particular UV map. What I have to have is a separate UV map that will keep this area intact, and we'll split it at the front. Well, fortunately, I've already done that, and the UV map is right there, as you can see. However, we notice here it uses the same UV unwrap procedure that I did for the front part. Now, as you can see, it keeps the back part of the shoe intact, so I can build curves back here, and they'll span nicely across this area here. But the problem is I don't have a guide for this. I don't have this illustration mapped onto this UV map. So I need to do that in order to have some sort of a guide in which to show me where to put my curves. And so we're going to project this image, and let me go back to here, default mode here. We're going to, I'll turn that off, project this illustration onto this UV map. And this is called texture baking. And that will be our next task. So stay tuned.